डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Good morning, students. I welcome you all at Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University, Jyotirmay Parishar. My name is Bijal Rawal, Assistant Professor Management, School of Commerce and Management Department. Today we are going to discuss on MBA Semester 2, Marketing, and our unit is number 2, Marketing Mix and Environment. We just go through with our topic outline, introduction, marketing mix, marketing environment, its definitions and concept of marketing environment. Marketing can be defined as any social and managerial process through which individuals and group achieve what they need and want as per the customer's requirement, as per their needs and wants. We have to create that type of product or that type of service. So we should provide that type of product or services to the customer. There are two sides or parties in the system of marketing. To get goods and services is the objectives of the market, while profit maximizations and ultimately wealth maximizations is the objectives. By exchanging this way, both accomplish their objectives. Profit maximizations is important. The communications from the industry side is known as promotion, and the informations taken by the industry is usually in the form of feedback. Customers give their feedbacks about the product or services. So, industry can understand the gap between the provider and the customer's requirement. As per the feedback form, they can understand the mistake or they can create that type of strategy. The term marketing involves a wide range of concept. It involves every activity from the productions of the goods to their consumptions. All tasks in between such as design work, pricing, promotion, distributions, transport, warehousing, that all are marketing activities. Marketing mix. Goods marketing or a distributions process demands spatial management focus, as production is meaningless if the goods are not sold. The marketing mix involves the process of designing, creating that type of strategy and merging the different aspects to the marketing to guarantee the success of business and the business goal. Marketing mix is a set of controllable variables that the firm can use to influence the buyer's response. The controllable variable in this context refers to the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place and promotion, as per the Philip Kotler. 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotions. We had already discussed P's of marketing in our past lecture. To reach the target market, marketing experts apply the marketing mix strategy by managing aspects such as the product, distributions, pricing, and promotion. The marketing mix indicates a combination of effective action or tactics employs by a company to promote its product and services in the marketplace. We can see in competitive world, we have to create something new. We have to create that type of strategy, that type of trick or a technique that can attract to the customer, or we should create that type of activity or that type of creating something new to the market. The marketing mix encompasses various crucial aspects that contributes to a comprehensive marketing plan. We should create that type of marketing plan. The marketing mix incorporates various facts of business, and marketers must consider all these models in order to devise an effective marketing strategy to attain a target customer to a particular product or a services. We should create strategy as per the product or a services. Marketing environment. Environment refers to the totality of factors within which the enterprise functions. It consists of tangible and intangible factors, which can be either controllable or uncontrollable. The factors can also be categorized into the microenvironment factors and macroenvironment factors. The elements that make up the environment can be categorized into micro factors, which influence specifically the individual business organizations, and the macro factors which impacts the entire industries. It is important for every organization to consider carefully the environment in which it operates. All companies are required to recognize, examine, and keep track of external factors while evaluating how those factors, how that force could affect the company's products and services. Marketing environment is more important in any organizations because we should balance macro environment and microenvironment factors that can directly affect to our organizations. Definition, we can see the environment of business is made up of all the external elements. It comes into the contract with that may affect it, whether directly or indirectly. Ring and Scroll says, the environment contains external factors that continuously generate opportunities and threats for the business firm, according to Kulik and Jost. What Philip Kotler said, a company's marketing environment comprises the internal factors and forces that influence the company's ability to establish and sustain successful transaction and connections with the company's target customers. Company's target customers connections is more important as per the Philip Kotler. Richman and Copen said, there are many pressures and control that are primarily outside the control of individual firm and their managers. As per the firm and the managers decide the outside and the control of their business environment. Marketing environment. The marketing environment around the business continuously changing. As per the time, as per the situations, they may change. We had already gone through that type of atmospheres during pandemic COVID-19 time, we all come to know about the situations, and that situations can affect any organizations because they have that type of product, that type of services. But as per the situations, everyone was helpless. To a considerable degree, the success of business organizations depends on their interactions with the alignment to their environment. If the marketing managers does not respond quickly to change in environmental factors, it can impact the organization short-term and long-term prospects. They have to take action as per the particular time. It is necessary for the marketing manager to examine and monitor the changes in the environment continuously. Examine and monitoring, that is more important in any organizations. So manager come to know about how they can help employees as well as the higher authority to take action as per the requirement. This can be achieved by the conducting environment scanning and analysis. Marketing environment is more important in any organizations to analyze the internal environment as well as the external environment. Scanning of the environment and management of the environment. Keep a constant watch on viral trend, changes in the commercial environment, essential elements of successful environment. Management is environmental scanning. Scanning is more important. The competitive environment, as we know, market is competitive. The competitive environment is generated by the interactive exchange in the marketing place as organizations compete with each other to meet customers' need. As per the customer requirement, they have to create that type of atmosphere as well as the type of product that can meet customers' requirement. The environment of politics and law. The political legal environment of marketing. The regulations, the necessity, the business of function under the specific competitive circumstances and protect customer rights. Customer come to know about their rights. The economic aspect. All marketing efforts aim to fulfill customers' wants and needs. As per the customer's requirement, they have to create that type of product or services. As per the feedback, they come to know about the customer's requirement, the competitors, the atmosphere. They come to know about how they create that type of strategy to compete or sustain in a competitive market. The technological aspect. The marketing environment is being transformed by the technology. While product can become obsolete due to the technology, in the matters of seconds, it can also create a new marketing opportunity just as quickly. We have to create that type of technology or that type of aspect. Technology is a matter a lot in any organizations. The socio-cultural aspect. It is essential for a firm's success in foreign market. to learn about the cultural and social difference between the countries. If we deal with international, we should understand their culture, social differences. If we put that product same like Indian market, it will be fail, because as per the cultural and social differences, we should create that type of strategy as per their customer needs and wants. We should create that type of product or services. Thank you. We will meet again with new exciting topic. Till then, thank you.
स्वाध्यायः परमः